Natural skincare isn't just a trend, it's an age-old tradition that harnesses the power of nature for radiant, healthy skin. Today, we delve into the world of Ayurveda, an ancient Indian healing system that offers a holistic approach to skincare. First, hydration sits at the core of a healthy body and glowing skin. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain optimal skin hydration. Incorporating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants nourishes the skin from within. Second, cleansing is vital. Regular facial cleansing removes dirt and impurities, but remember to avoid overwashing, which can strip the skin of its natural oils. Following cleansing, moisturize with a natural product suitable for your skin type. This aids in maintaining skin hydration and health. Third, protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by applying sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30. And don't forget the importance of sleep. Adequate rest allows your skin to regenerate, promoting overall well-being. Stress management plays a pivotal role in skin health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation or yoga into your routine. For a touch of Ayurveda, consider natural remedies like honey, turmeric, and rosewater for DIY masks. Avoid harsh, chemical-laden products to prevent skin irritation. Instead, opt for gentle, natural alternatives. Regular physical activity can also improve blood circulation, enhancing your skin's health. Ayurvedic skincare goes a step further, asking you to identify your dosha, vata, pitta, or kapha, to tailor remedies to your specific needs. Internal cleansing is encouraged, with detoxifying foods like ginger, turmeric, and green leafy vegetables playing a crucial role. Staying hydrated with warm water and lemonades, digestion and system cleansing. Daily oil massage or abhyanga with warm Ayurvedic oils improves circulation and nourishes the skin. Herbal teas like chamomile, mint, or ginger offer calming or invigorating properties. Ayurvedic face masks, made from natural ingredients like turmeric, honey, and yogurt, cater to different skin types. Oil pulling, a practice involving swishing coconut or sesame oil in your mouth, supports oral health and detoxification. A balanced diet, rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and spices, caters to your dosha. Herbal supplements, taken under the guidance of an Ayurvedic practitioner, can further support your skincare journey. And practices like yoga and meditation help balance the mind and body. Remember, consistency is key to effective skincare. So whether you're drawn to turmeric and yogurt face packs or neem and multani midi masks, the secret lies in regular application. Sandalwood and rosewater or aloe vera and cucumber packs can offer cooling and soothing effects. In conclusion, Ayurvedic skincare is a holistic approach that emphasizes natural ingredients and balance. It's not merely about external application but also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, hydration, and stress management. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your inner health, so treat it with care.
If you liked the video and want more tips and tricks for your skin, you can subscribe to our channel and like the video. We will always be ready to assist you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.